Vividly affirmative, Professor Oxford, want to be krungum about this Son of Cabinet and birthday. Before I'm going to start by articulating, to confabulate, to perorating this macroeloquence and grandiloquence, I would like to give you my pregnomen, cognomen, nomenclature, nom de plume, and appellatives, which is Professor Oxford, an academic jogano, plastic long head apparatchik, A1 deep top, and creme de la creme. What I can say that it is dismal, logobrious, and dolorous is apocryphal. Looking at my perspicacity, my physiognomy and physiog, I can say that it is contumelious, robust, and insolent. As you can see that I'm not osseous, lackadaisical, languorous, and I would like to be fastidious. In a lickety split, I can say I will not koto in this poho. I refuse to koto poho. Thank you.